Then you want to do the fan mounting bolts. And obviously pull the reservoir thing out. This bad boy should come out, right? So I had to take this motor mount off, bracket I mean, then take the tensioner belt off. Now I gotta take the pulley out the way to get these covers off. Then I'm gonna have to take that compressor and lower it to get that last exhaust bolt off. Already got the radiator out, and we'll go from there. Alright, I got that unmounted, got the cover off, and now you can actually see. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zip tie sprocket, and I'm gonna mark everything so I don't have to really worry about doing the timing on it. Okay, I have the timing cam off, just undo the bolt, and right now I'm marking the timing so that I can know what the timing's at. And next I'm going to take these cams out, and then I will undo the head bolts, and then it should come off. Okay, so that head, I removed it and everything. It's right there. And now I'm taking this one off. Actually, on the timing for the cams, I'm zip tying the chain onto it so that I don't have to worry about the cam timing. Now the timing on there, I'm going to redo the actual belt because if you look closely, you probably can't see, but it's kind of cracked a little. You can see the cracks. It needs to be changed. This thing only has 100,000 miles, and it's about time to do it anyway. But the pistons look good. A little bit of water was in that one, but I sprayed WD-40. And gotta clean this head gasket surface also. Get it all polished up. Get this off. Then I didn't think, when you do this, if you're gonna do the timing also, break the crank bolt loose. You can put the socket on it, ratchet on there, and tap the starter. It'll break the nut loose. Now I have to figure out how I'm gonna get it loose. I don't have an impact, so yeah, that's kind of my fault, but I'll get it off. But other than that, just keep moving forward. Alright, I have the other head off, and I'm surprised this car even started. All that water and rust that was in there, and the head gasket, see, is blown. Both of them were blown into each other. Plus the coolant jets.
I got a fed for money. I got a fed for this. Hey, I got a fed for foreign.
I forgot to do the bolt. What I did was I had unhooked the ground, so I grounded it. Grounded the motor, and now I can crank it. That's all I had to do. So that's it. Okay, so I ended up taking the motor out because I want to change the pistons. Because when it got hot, right there, see that? See that right there? Some of them melted. So I'm gonna have to clean that up, take these pistons. Well, it only happened at this one and this one. I'm gonna take it out. I got new pistons coming in, so I'm gonna replace those, but pretty much gonna show you how to take the pistons in and out also. But I think it'd be easier for me to put it all back together with it out anyway. And now I'm cleaning the head gasket. Use one of these, clean all this surface off real good. And then I need to check, make sure it's all not warped or anything. And that's the next step. Alright, so engines in the house. What you do to get the pistons out is I'm ended up but good thing, it didn't do any damage to my cylinder wall. So take these two bolts off, take the cap off, and then you push down, and everything up is painted. Not very good at spray painting, but okay, so I'm installing new pistons. 2 in already. And pretty much I'm going to show you how to compress the rings. And when you do it, make sure the rings are not in the same exact spot. Have them in different locations because you want them all to seal.
Whole team eating, pocket for some bitches leeching. We get the money, see it's flossing every season. Might pull up in foreigns, we sleep on y'all niggas y'all born. We make it look easy, turbo wheels we be speeding. Bitch we gon' eat, yeah. Bitch we gon' eat, yeah. Bitch we be eating.
Basically, you just put this around it and tighten it as tight as you can. Make sure it's level, even. And when you get it tight, I'll show you just a second what to do then. Very easy. Make sure you do it right because you can.
Scope on a rifle when I want to, they won't see me. Yeah, you better watch a bitch, cause I got that bitch feeding. Niggas boring. I am an army when I put up on them, got a storm and there's no warning. I am the shit, no showing, man. Whole squad lit, call it arson. Out in these streets, you gotta sauce it. Couple bitches, they be stopped, yeah. Got them pouring like a faucet. Go check the dock and just flip the deposit. I ain't with all that nonsense. Hold it, let it breathe. Time to scut the beat like it's nothing else to eat. I'ma always be me, keep it strict, no retreat. What you know about that heat? Pull up on
just like that.
Live a knock, I repeat from the streets to the beach. Yeah, I do it with ease.
And as I do it, I'll set this on here, put my hand on here to hold that still, and I'll tap it slowly and it goes in. I'll show you. I'm gonna do it and you'll see how quick I can do it. Hopefully.
We sleep on y'all niggas y'all born. Make it look easy. Turbo Hemis we be speeding. Bitch we gon' eat. Yeah. Bitch we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch we be eating. Bitch we gon' eat. Bitch we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch we be eating. Bitch we gon' eat. Bitch we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch we be eating. Bitch we gon' eat. Bitch we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch we be eating.
Fat checks with them commas. I say eating on the daily while you niggas ain't about it. Come on, toast ass niggas. Yeah, you hurting on the diet. You ain't feasting like me. Wish a nigga would try me. Ghost. You don't see me whipping in the bucket. No.
Takes a little
I just want the
time.
money. Yeah, like Leon missing out. Let him take my dough. That glide knock a nigga fucking face to the flow. This is me against the world on some move out shit. No pain, no gain, then it's not a win. Mama told me watch my back for the snakes in the grass. If it's zippy, then it's time to bring the lawnmower in. And I'm moving with a scope, looking for the advantage. Being patient is the key, then I'm looking to handle. Hard to keep my feet still, I'm so eager to grab it. And any move that I make, I know I'ma have it.
Sauce when I walk. Bitch, I can't talk. I be living life like a boss.
There we go.
Get it off. Serving things like I'm playing tennis. To the state, I'm a fucking menace. Committing sins, but I stay repentant. Get the money, gotta get the bitches. I be living word up the trap house. Like Dora the Explorer, I'm on the map now. I done came up, ain't going back down. These niggas hate that I rap now. Why the fuck these niggas hating? I'm with the niggas really on the mission to get it. Get your top back, link in your crop head.
Now make sure you turn the crank to the top,
And the cops back.
and then I have it in.
Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah, bitch, we eat. Bitch, we gon' eat. Bitch, we gon'
And slide in.
eat.
And that's how you do it. And then you'll pull it up. Make sure you clean these really good.
Bitch, we gon' eat.
And
Bitch, we gon' eat. Yeah,
put it on there, torque it down, and work to the next one.
so much sketching in the phone.
All the pistons in, all of them in.
I got a pass of big balls.
Now, putting it all back together. Already done silicone that back on. And then next is I gotta clean that up, put more silicone on this to seal the filter screen, and then put the pan back on, flip it over. And I gotta put the heads on and time it. Okay, pistons all in. Got the bottom back on, painted everything. It's all painted, looks better than what it did. Still got some silicone a little. But I put new tensioners on there, new water pump, and I put a new belt. Next thing, put these heads on. Okay, got the heads on. Got those on. Now I gotta torque them down, and then I'm gonna add the cams in there, then do the timing. Then I'll bring the motor outside, and set it in there with the exhaust. I gotta put those on also before I put it in. Then from there, just put everything else back. Almost done. So got the timing on. What you do is you'll line these marks up. The cam mark went there. This cam went there. And then we have the crank. You'll have it at top dead center. #1 piston. And there's a one dimension right there. It's gonna line up right there. And then once you line all that up, take this pulley off, slide the belt on, and then you'll put the idler pulley back on, and it'll be good. And then you need to pull this pin to keep the tension on the belt. And that's it on the timing. Fairly easy. And then you're going to turn this crank 2 revelations. Make sure, double check your timing marks. They all line up, you're good to go. Which mine is. Okay, and I made a mistake. Put this cover on before you put the cams and everything on. If you take this cover off, put it back on. I took it off and I had to take everything back off. Not everything, just the cams. I had zip ties holding the timing, and I had to take this off with this mount. But it's back on now, so it's all timed and just getting there. Alright, so it's outside. I gotta put the alternator on and the tensioners and stuff. Don't do like I did. I did not have any way of moving it from inside of the house to outside. So I had to place cardboard in lines and swivel it back and forth. I had to get it down there, so that was very hard, but I got it. But it's ready to go in now, pretty much. Okay, so tensioners back on, idler pulley, alternator, put the bracket on, exhaust is back on, both sides. And next, after I do this, I'm probably going to end up lifting it and putting it in there, because I have to hook the power steering pump up to here, mount it, and then I can go ahead and put those knock sensors back in, and that coolant jacket goes in. I may try to put that in before I put the engine in. It's over there. Alright.
Shrimp noodle, sweet rice. At that time, that shit was blazing. Give me second, thirds, maybes. Without a doubt, I had to take it street baby in the face and think how much my life is changing. Give me a choice to make. Angel kisses on my face when I was about 8.
Right. Lots of hard work. Pressure's in. Manifolds are on. Everything for the serpentine belt. Everything's hooked up. Injectors in. God, I'm out of breath. Still gotta go. I gotta go buy spark plugs, so I can put that intake on and hook everything else up. And then I'm gonna start it up, make sure everything's good, and then finish the rest. Alright, so quick start up, see if it starts. Oh, bad battery connection. Start it up.
Come fly with me, come to the sky with me. I swear it's a sight to see. Shawty come slide with me, ain't hop in this ride with me. Look, I got design on me, can't let niggas plot on me. Niggas be watching me, bitches be stalking me. As I when you watch me, don't get shot trying to talk to me. I'd rather talk to cash, I'd rather talk to Ben, I'd rather talk to you. I don't need to talk to them. I'm trying to run up a bag, gotta make sure it get filled. Baby, come count these racks. I want you to see how I feel. She said she'll ride for me. They said she'll die for me. Said I could be all you need, but you won't make time for me. You ain't gotta lie to me. You want me to buy you things. You want me to take you places. She just wanna try new things. Shawty won't ride with me. Hey, Shawty won't ride with me. She wanna spend time with me. Wanna be on the side of me. She wanna get high with me. Tell her come fly with me. Go to the sky with me. I swear it's a sight to see.